I'm Brandon and this is Ryan, and here at Axiom 360, we're dedicated to providing quality customer experience and premium products. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Ryan. We're here for you day in, day out till the project's done. How long does an installation take, Ryan?
Yeah, so that's a great question. An installation tends to take anywhere from 1 to 3 days. The thing that a lot of people don't think about is how much time we have to put into it to get to those 2 days of work. From getting the project designed through conducting a site survey to understand the entire scope of what your property has to offer and how we will be able to best support you, through the design phase, into the permitting with your local jurisdiction, and into the procurement and installation. You're really looking at about a 6-week sale to install timeline. Sometimes, depending on your jurisdiction, we can get that a little bit shorter. Other times it might run a little bit longer, 8 to 10 weeks, but we are flexible and available to work with your schedule.